Hello, and welcome to another update video on Bonk. Yeah, on the Bonk chart, we see some upside momentum come in. Obviously, the price has dipped into this wave 4 support zone. If you watched previous updates, well, then you know this zone already. It is between 22917 and 31002. And this is the zone that we've been watching for, well, for this wave 4, obviously, for this corrective pullback, which might actually have bottomed. I mean, it would pretty good if the low was already in, because let's be honest, any break below the 6th of August low, which formed down here where that wave 5 of CO4 is located at around, yeah, 23262. It's the 6th of August low, right? Any break below it would be, I have to say, a little bit too deep. It would be a little bit too deep, unfortunately, for a fourth wave. So yeah, that low must hold. Any break below that level, yeah, it wouldn't look good. It would likely mean that the structure is shifting or changing. So yeah, ideally that low is in. I can also recognize and identify a pretty clean ABC structure to the downside. So a pretty, let's say a pretty clean 3-wave move down in this 4th wave, which means it could be done. We also, what did we want to see? I mean, in the last video, we talked about a possible upside reversal from here and circle wave 5. And that 5th wave to the upside, if I zoom in a little bit, that 5th wave to the upside should also be a 5-wave move. But this here isn't clean at all, okay? So please note that whatever we've seen from that low so far hasn't really given us a lot of structure. So from that point of view, yeah, be a bit flexible here. It needs to still prove to us that a low is in. It needs to prove that to us. How can it do that? It can do that by holding a higher low in the next pullback, which obviously needs to happen at some point. We need to see that wave 2 pullback. Now, the 5th wave should be a 5-wave move. And we might still be working on that wave 1. It really only offers very, very limited structure. So waiting for further clarity here. Like, for example, then the next corrective pullback. It needs to hold a higher low. It needs to prove in the next pullback that it can, that the bulls can defend a higher low. So that's pretty much what we're waiting for. At the moment, we're trying to break above the swing high here from the 4th of August. That is, of course, next resistance. And then, yeah, after the wave 2 pullback, the 3rd wave should take us higher quite quickly. Sometimes pullbacks are quite shallow. Yeah, see what happened down here. We also had a 1-2 setup here. That was after the larger degree wave 2 bottomed. And then another 1-2, and it just escalated. So 3rd waves can be very, very fast and, yeah, rapid, momentum driven. Now, this move up should take us ideally to the next upside fib level at 49672. Before then, another higher low forms and another higher high. So we'll take it level by level with altcoins here. But for now, this would be the roadmap I follow. Higher prices as long as the 6th of August low holds, with a potential target at 49672. That's the update on Bonk. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to join us on X for additional updates. Feel free to join us. There's a lot of additional content here, sometimes even faster than on YouTube, obviously, right? Because it takes time to make a video, upload it, and so on. So if you want to stay up to date, check it out. There are some updates, mindset stuff. Of course, not as much as in our gold membership, for example, but there is some additional stuff here. Check it out for discussions and so on. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.